So at the starting of the movie we see a character of a girl. Her name is Rhea. She is telling the story of the past of that place where she lives. Those few years before, that land was beautiful. It seemed like it is a piece of paradise. Here dragon and humans coexisted. All lived happily. They helped each other and have food together. Even, they also play together. The children of dragons and humans were friends. But suddenly some evil eye affected our land one day. The evil spirit arrived here. Those evils starts attacking our land. And whom they touch they make them of stone. They were not happy because of our land peace. They keep destroying everything, even greenery, and then made everyone of stone. But when these things were happening, a small dragon named Sisu it saved from them. There were also its brothers. All humans and dragons were made of stone except them. So they make a plan together that the powers we have we will collect them in a gem, means in a stone. There is a love, peace and care in it, and it will definitely kill those evil spirits, will finish their magic. We will make all the dragons and humans again normal while using it. Then they do the same. They all brothers put their love and powers in a gem, means in stone. And when after it they take it to the human made of stone, then surprisingly they begin to normalize. But here the sad thing is that gem wasn't affect those dragons. Those dragon remain the stone, then never become normal. But the gem which they prepared after putting the whole things, the others also come behind that stone. They say that maybe we will work on it more. Maybe other dragons will be normalized. Then this land was divided into 5 parts. All begin to fight. Our land was beautiful. There was stream and park in it. The people lived together. But just because of those evil spirits, our land was divided into 5 different parts. It turns into a desert. Rhea was telling this story being sad. After it, except Sisu, no dragon left in our land. Rhea was also a small girl of this land. She had a small cute pet like hedgehog. Rhea loved to do adventures. She takes her pet everywhere with her. One day she was passing from a place, there were many traps. While passing them she arrives at a high place. There was none other than that gem. That was placed by Sisu and its companions. Many people were behind it. There she sees that a man was protecting it. He was guarding it, and he was none other than Rhea's father. He was the chief of that place. They all give him a lot of respect. This means Rhea was the daughter of the chief of that place, and she also loves everyone there. Here Rhea's father asks her that why don't we do a small fight, my daughter? None could reach here at that place where this gem is. And if you will come inside it, I will agree that my daughter is strong. She can get this gem. So let's start. Then we see that Rhea was trying to inside it. Her father was stopping her. They were fighting with each other beautifully. Rhea was fond of adventures from her childhood. That's why she couldn't win the fight here. But she touches that circle in which that gem was. Due to it, her father was happy. That's my daughter can do everything. He says to her that see, I knew that my daughter will guard this gem with me. I am proud of you. After it, Rhea father says to her daughter, see daughter, you know that our commander land was beautiful. But it gets separated because of people's fight. All go far from us behind this gem. We have to again gather them with love. We have to make our land beautiful again. For it, do you know what I have done today? I have arranged a huge dinner. And I have called the people of other land also. And it is expected that everyone will solve the problem. You also pray for it. Now we see that the dinner starts. Different kinds of dishes were served. The people of other land also arrived there. There is the daughter of another land chief. She was the age fellow of Rhea. They become good friends. They start talking about land, then they start seeing its map. Here it reveals that Sisu is a female dragon. Means it was a female dragon. And it was sleeping a sound sleep under a stream for so long. This means when all dragons were killed, it think that now what will it do to live with humans? and it goes far them because of their fights. They both plan to find it. We will bring it back because it was a good dragon. Then the daughter of other chief gifts a pendant to Rhea. They have developed a good friendship. Rhea was good-hearted, so she thinks that girl is good. Her father forbids her, but even then she tells her that here that gem is. Then they go to that place. But arriving there, that girl changes. And she pushed Rhea, because her purpose was only to get that gem. That bad girl says to Rhea that you people had got this gem enough. Now our tribe will have this. It is obvious that we are also linked with this gem. Saying it, that bad girl throws a glowing things towards the sky. This means she was calling her people while giving them the signals that the gem is here. This was pre-planned. All people of her tribe arrived there. Arriving there, they start fighting because of the gem. When they were snatching that gem from each other, that gem fall down. It divides into 5 pieces. When Rhea's father come there, he becomes sad after seeing it. And the bad thing was that because of that broken gem, those evil spirits again revive. They were about to attack them. If they would not do anything soon, they will again turn them into stone. Now that gem was broken. How will they make them normalize? Then Rhea's father hurriedly pick up a piece of stone and puts it in the front of those evils. Due to it, those evils go far from them. He protect himself, his daughter and his kingdom a few times. Now the people of the other tribes also picks up the pieces of that gem. They run from there while protecting them. They don't care that Rhea's father invited them with love at dinner. But they were here to do fight and to take that gem. When Rhea's father was saving everyone from those evil spirits, they get injured during this. He was also running behind them with Rhea, but he couldn't run because he was injured. There he says to his daughter Rhea that my lovely daughter, I trust you a lot. I knew from the day that you will protect this gem after me. I am staying here. Now further you have to protect this gem and your kingdom. With it, he pushes her daughter into that river with gem. Then those evil spirits arrived there and they make Rhea's father of stone. Here the scene changes. These were the happenings of the past. Rhea was telling this herself. Now Rhea was grown older. 6 years have passed. Rhea was working on what her father had said to her. This means she was protecting the gem, and with it, she was also searching for the Sisu dragon. That was according to her under a stream. She was searching for it, to make them all normal again. And she can make her father again a normal man from stone. Now Rhea's pet was also grow up. They have good bonding. They go together everywhere like before. Now finally after a long time Rhea arrives here that stream. She feels that the Sisu dragon is here. She tries a lot and finally revives that Sisu dragon. She comes and says to Sisu with love that I have searched for you everywhere. Now you revive, so listen to me. I am worried and you have to support me. Here we see that Sisu was a cute dragon. As it sees that gem, it goes mad with happiness. It says that it is the same gem, we have made it. It glows in blue light. Then Rhea says, yes, I want this. That you make it again. So that I can normalize my father. 6 years have passed and he is still of stone. Then Sisu acts innocently. And it says that my brothers have made it. I was a small at that time. I just fight with those evils with them. Then Sisu ays, but there is a solution. If I will get the all part of this gem, I can join it. After it, I can also make your father and kingdom normal. Shishu seems like the pure-hearted dragon. It says that there is a power hidden in every piece of gem. And the funny thing is that those power will come in me while touching it. Now they say that we will search those pieces of gem and will join those pieces. Now the 3 means Sisu dragon, Rhea and her pet go to the search for the pieces of the gem. This means to search that gem. At first, they go to the corner tribe. There were many traps. Now because Rhea was adventurous and strong, so she passed those traps. And here, she easily picks the piece of that gem. Here we come to know that powers from this gem Sisu get was that it can change into any form. Having this power, it was also happy. It turns into a cute girl with purple hair. After it, she was happy. But when the other lands come to know this, then that bad girl who deceived Rhea in childhood. She come there with her army. She starts attacking them. But Rhea and Sisu run from there. When they leave from there, they see a small boy. He had a small boat. He asks them with love to come in his boat. But Rhea says to Sisu Dragon that never trust anybody. They see that the boat was sailing slowly. Then the Sisu Dragon can swim. It again goes in the water and change into a dragon and push that boat. Due to it, that boat sails speedily. Small kid tells them that those evils have also made my family of stone. Now I am alone in this world. The three become good friends. They spend their journey while talking to each other. Now they arrive in the third tribe, means the third part of the land. Rhea says to Sisu to stay in the boat. I will go there and see. But there a small girl come in front of her who was having 3 small monkeys. Those monkeys run from there while having her gems. But Rhea follows them and gets her gems back. Rhea catches them and that small girl also. Then she says to them that you are looking clever. And you are very sharp. Would you like to do work with me? I will give you fruits and money in returns. Then that small girls tell her that those evils have made her parents of stone. I have nothing to do. I will support you. Then they make a team. Meanwhile, we see that the Sisu Dragon arrives there. It starts snatching the things from the people because it hadn't seen these things before. People start catching it. But then an old woman arrived there. Sisu unconsciously says that we are here to get the gem. That old woman traps it and takes it with her. Here we see that the old woman was also having a piece of gem. She says Sisu to return the gem. Otherwise, I will call those evil spirits here. And they will kill you. But at the same time, Rhea arrives there. She saves Sisu and takes a gem from that old woman. Then we see that they go to the another tribe to bring the 4th piece of the gem. But going there, a man catches them. He was the best warrior of that place. Then that bad girl also arrives there. The girl who gave the pendant to Rhea in childhood. She was a deceiver. She again attacks with her soldiers. But this time Rhea was also fighting with her. When Sisu sees it, it immediately turns into a dragon. It takes out smoke from its mouth. Due to it, Rhea's life was saved. But now everyone knows that Sisu is a dragon. When warrior sees that it is that good dragon who didn't harm anyone, he gets impressed and give it that 4th piece of the gem also. He says to it that I trust you, that you will normal everything. Then they move from there. Sisu now also has the power to reign. Now the last tribe was left from where they have to get the last piece of the gem. That tribe was none other than of ill-mannered girl, the girl who deceived Rhea. Sisu gives her the idea that maybe like this we can't get the piece of gem. Because she is a sharp girl. So why don't we patch up with her? Get that piece of gem while meeting her. Because we have the other 4 pieces. We will ask her to return that piece and we will make our kingdom good while joining those pieces. But Rhea says to Sisu that not at any cost. Sisu says to Rhea that how can I make you understand? That there are also good people in the world. You have to trust. Maybe everything will fine with your trust. You are the daughter of a good human. Then Sisu takes her to that place. The place where all dragons were made of stone. It also shows her its brothers. It says, see, those were my brothers, but before turning into stone they trusted me. They gave me this gem. After it, I was able to defeat those evil spirits. And see, your father has also give you this gem after trusting you. Sisu talking affects Rhea. She agrees to make a friendship with that girl. She gives a letter and that pendant which was gifted by her in her childhood to that small girl and her monkeys. There was written about patch up in that letter. Means let's make friendship. When that girl read that letter, she come there with the gem to meet her. But she couldn't decide that whether I should give her that gem or not. That girl puts that piece of gem on a stone. She lifts up her arrow gun. She was thinking that it may be their trick, and Sisu Dragon can attack her. But Sisu comes to her to make her calm down. Here that girl makes a mistake. She shoots an arrow with her arrow gun on the Sisu Dragon. Due to it, Sisu falls in the stream. When that girl notices it, she gets scared. because those evil spirits were returning. Sisu was the dragon of water. Because of it, the water was left on this land. The water was finishing. Those evil spirits enter from the boundaries of that land. That girl runs from there. Now Rhea was also worried when Rhea feels that Sisu is dead now and she has none. Then she goes to fight with that girls in anger. There is a fight between them. They were fighting with swords with each other. On the other side, we see that the pet of Rhea, the small boy and the warrior, they were protecting everyone with the piece of gem. Rhea and that girl were fighting in the castle. Rhea was about to kill that girl. She sees outside and she sees that the whole city is destroying. Those evil spirits have attacked everywhere. Rhea immediately goes outside to save the people to become the stone. And we see inside those evil spirits have made the mother of that girl of stone. Then she realizes that we are the same kingdom and our enemy was just those evil spirits. She feels hurt. I wish I could realize before and I could save my mother to become of stone. When it happens with her, she supports Rhea. Then she goes outside and protects people with that piece of gem. Rhea remembers suddenly that when the attack of those evil spirit was increased. So these dragons have put their love and trust in this gem. We have to do this. She says to her companions to give every piece of that gem to the girl of another kingdom. Then they all say that no, we can't trust her. Then says that we have to do this. With it, she gives the piece of her gem to that girl. And says to her that you have to defeat those evil spirits while joining all pieces. Her companions didn't agree and they don't give the pieces. Meanwhile, Rhea herself becomes stone. When they all see that Rhea tries to save their lives while sacrificing her life, they agree with Rhea, trust that girl, and give her the pieces of the gem. Means they give her the gem. That girl starts joining the pieces of the gem. But during this, the evil spirit make them all of the stones. As the gem completes its 5 parts joined together, those spirit also make that girl stone. Then after some times of joining, that gem starts shining. That gem becomes brighter and energy comes out of it. That energy kills those evil spirits. Then it starts raining there. Due to its positive energy, all the people of stone become normal. And the good thing was that the dragons also become normal. Because of it, due to the rain and because the dragons were returning, the streams again fills with water. The water also fills in the river. All dragons start dancing here. Then we see that all dragons and human meet each other. The persons whom families were made stone hug each other and all become happy. Rhea also goes to meet her father. Rhea's father become happy while seeing her young. And he was proud of his daughter. Then Sisu also arrived there. It says to him that, "Chief, I have a gift for you." Behind it, other tribes peoples were also coming there. They were impressed by the chief and Rhea. They come there to patch up with them. Here we see that they were happy. This means to trust each other, and while caring about each other with love, we can make everything fine. If we are together, then we are a power, otherwise, we are nothing. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoy it.